Hey doodlers, I'm Doodle Dog. Grab a pencil and let's draw together. Today we're going to draw a cute cactus. Let's doodle! Okay, we're going to start right about here on the page. I'm going to start by drawing the main cactus shape of the body of the cactus. And it's just a big curving line down like this. And then we're going to stop right about there. And now let's do one on the other side. So leaving a little space at the top, let's do a curving line starting there. And we're gonna curve it back down, kind of mirroring the other side. And we'll stop right about there. Okay, let's draw we'll have some cactus arms coming off the sides here. So over here on this side, let's just do a curving line up like this. And then we curve back down and stop right about there. And now let's do one on the other side. So starting on this, right about here on the side, we'll just do a curving arm, cactus arm up like this, and around, and then we'll stop it right about there. And maybe we'll do a flower on top of this cactus. So starting right where we started the drawing, we'll do some petals on this flower. So a petal like this, and then we'll do a curving line like that, and it'll have 5 petals total. 3, 4, and 5. And in the middle, we'll do a little circle like that. And maybe we do a couple of little petal lines like that. Okay, now let's draw some spikes and lines on this cactus. So starting right about here on this arm, we're going to do a curving line like this, and then one up like that, and we'll do one on the other side up like this, and one up like that, and let's do one in the middle. So right in the middle, we'll do a curving line down like this, one like that. And this gives the cactus some texture. So right in the middle here, we'll do one down like this. One right in the middle. And then off of these lines, let's just do little arrows kind of around all over them. This gives it a sense of cactusy texture and shape. Some on this side. You can kind of put them wherever. And then no cactus is complete without some spikes on it or thorns. So let's do some cactus thorns along the outside shape of the cactus. You can, like I said, you can kind of put these wherever, as long as you don't get stuck by them. I'm just kidding. You can't get stuck by them. It's a drawing. Okay, now let's draw a cute face on this cactus. We'll do 2 eyes and a mouth. So starting right here, let's do a circle for one of the eyes. Like that. And let's do another circle over here. Like that. And we'll do some highlights inside those circles. So a smaller circle inside and a smaller circle inside. And maybe we'll do a double highlight, so then an even smaller circle on both sides, and let's color that in black. On both eyes. And let's do a smiley face right in the middle here. There we go. Okay, now let's plant this cactus in a pot. So let's do a curved line starting right about here. We're going to curve it. This is going to be where it's sticking into the pot. And we're going to curve it along where we ended the base of the cactus. So around like this, and then back like that. And now a little bit of space above here. We'll start on this side. We'll do the outer ring of the of the pot. And then a big long curved line along the bottom here. You can always pause the video if you need more time. And then connect it back to the side of the cactus there. All right, let's do the base of the flower pot, or the cactus pot. So starting right about here, we're going to do kind of an angled line that curves. And then it curves along the bottom. And then curves back up and connects to the other side of the ring. Like that. That's looking good. You know what, let's do a little decoration on this pot. Let's do a heart, because it's a loving cactus. So starting right about here, we'll do a little heart shape for that side. And then back where we started, we'll do the other side of the heart, like that. I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in. I'm gonna make my cactus green, but you can make your cactus any color you want. We'll make the flower pink and yellow on the inside. Let's make the pot kind of a brown orange. And we'll do a darker brown for inside the pot, almost like it's dirt or soil. And let's make the heart red. And remember, every artist signs their doodle. Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye! Ask your parents to like and subscribe.